Welcome to RightLook.com's Window Tinting Training School, your gateway to becoming a certified automotive window tinting professional in just 3 days. Whether you're looking to start a full-time or part-time business, window tinting offers a high-demand, high-margin service with the potential to build a great business or career tinting windows. With our hands-on training program, you'll learn how to provide a valuable service to car owners, offering glare reduction, heat reduction, UV protection, privacy, and a custom look for any vehicle. The market for tinting services is virtually unlimited, and the fast installation process allows for easy cross-selling to customers and makes it an ideal new business or addition to an existing business. Our 3-day hands-on training program is designed to teach you the skills you need to start a successful window tinting business. In a small group setting, you'll train in our state-of-the-art facility with the latest film, supplies, and equipment. Expert instruction is provided by RightLook.com trainers who are passionate and respected professionals in the industry. You'll have extensive hands-on installation practice on side and rear windows and receive a free swag bag filled with training materials and RightLook swag to enhance your training experience. During the program, you'll enjoy catered lunches and opportunities to network with fellow students and instructors. Upon completion, you'll have access to 12 months of priority tech support from our highly experienced team of tint instructors and receive a printed certificate as proof of your certification as a window tint installer. Finally, we'll celebrate your graduation and toast to your future success in the industry. Over the course of 3 days, you'll be immersed in hands-on training. On day 1, you'll be introduced to window tinting, best business practices, vehicle and material prep, and shrinking and installation techniques. On the second day, you'll practice installing window tint on various window sizes and shapes, focusing on side windows and large rear windows. At RightLook.com, we teach both computer and freehand cutting techniques. The final day covers troubleshooting and maintenance, followed by a review and graduation celebration. At RightLook.com, we believe in learning by doing through hands-on small class training. Choose RightLook.com for your training and join the ranks of countless successful professionals who have trusted RightLook.com as their auto appearance training school. With over 25 years of experience in the industry, RightLook.com has been helping students from all around the globe achieve their goals and excel in their businesses and careers. Our world-renowned training programs attract aspiring professionals who travel from all corners of the world to train with us, making RightLook.com the premier choice for those seeking the best in auto appearance training. Don't settle for less. Invest in your future with RightLook.com and become a top-tier professional in the thriving world of auto appearance services. Don't wait any longer. Book your window tinting training online today, or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable training consultants for any questions you may have. We're here to support and guide you as you embark on this exciting journey into the industry.